Second violin, away from a manger. Hi guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how to play this piece, Away from Manger. First thing is the first almost 3 lines of this piece is very easy. You have 3 beats per measure, 3/4, half note, quarter note, half note, quarter note. This is obviously open G, you already know that. Make sure you know your notes very closely and very carefully. As far as your key signature, you have one F sharp, which again means that every F in the piece is sharp. However, all these other notes are natural except for the ones that have accidentals. Like here, if you have a C sharp, then this sharp is going to be the only sharp that you play in this measure as C sharp, and as soon as measure is over, everything goes back to normal according to your accidental. So it resets itself, since accidentals are only effective for the end of the measure, and as soon as the measure is over, everything goes back to the key signature right here. Okay, so it's pretty much self-explanatory up to here. It's super easy. This is low second finger on E string. The note is G, and since there is no sharp, you have to know. Memorize this, guys. Second finger on white on E string is the natural version of G. Memorize that. On the red tape is the sharp version of G. On the white tape is the natural version of G. Same with the one on A string. Red tape on A string is the sharp version of C. Low second would be natural version of C. Same with D. On red tape on D string is the sharp version of D. Low on D string is the natural version of, I'm sorry, not D, F, natural version of F. So F sharp, F natural, C sharp, C natural, G sharp, G natural. Now, depending on what notes you have written in the music, you would play that specific notes. In this case, there is no G sharp, so you would know which version, low or high, you have to use your second finger for. Obviously, you know that you use your second finger for this note, right? This is your second finger on E string. But which one, high or low? Well, you know it. If it's sharp, it's high. If it's natural, it's low second. So, since there is no G sharp in the key signature and there is no G sharp as the accidental, so that's a G natural one. And you play that as low second on E string. Memorize that. However, this C is C sharp. Remember, C sharp is high second on A. C natural, like this, is low second on A. So when you get to the natural part, you play low second on A. When you get to the sharp one, you play high second on A. And just like what I'm doing, don't hesitate to write down all this information. Downward arrow, number 2. Upward arrow, number 2. Low second, high second. Moving on, you have quarter, quarter, eighth, eighth, quarter, quarter, eighth, eighth, 1, 1, half, half, 1, 1. That's how the rhythm works. Everything is very easy. That's a down bow sign, obviously. So you play 1, 1, and 1, 1, half, half, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, rest, 1 and 2 and 3. See? Half, 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 3. These are half beats each. Ti, 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 ta. That's also another way of counting eighth notes versus quarter notes. Ti, 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 ta. Short, 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 long, 1, 2, 1. So the rhythm is very repetitive. What you have is combination of 3 or 4 different types, considering the dots as well, that repeats themselves all over again. You either have half note, quarter note, eighth notes, and sometimes dotted half note. Once you're done practicing the part line by line, once you learn the whole piece, now try to do all the right bowings with the slurs and also the articulation, which means dynamics and bowings, everything that you have written in the page. Have fun practicing, guys.